Hey, Math 1 kids. Today we're going to start Module 6, which is all about geometry and starting off with transformations. Now, I know the majority of you did transformations. You had that booklet last year in 7th grade, so you have some prior knowledge, which is awesome. We also did some Desmos activities the week before spring break, so you have some foundation and prior knowledge. We're going to try to do the task sort of normally. What I want you to do, and you see it all on my agenda, is to open up the link I have to the student materials, just like you do if you left your task at school, and pull up the 6.1 task, which is called Leaping Lizards. Ideally, you would print this out, but if you don't have access to a printer, I don't right now, that's fine. You'll survive without it. So print it out and then try to do the task by yourself. Now, I recognize that some of you are going to love this module and some of you are going to not love this module. I get it. I don't want you to spend more than 20 minutes trying to work through the task. There are different things we want the lizard to do, to leap or turn or reflect, those sort of things. If you want to skip around, do ones you're comfortable with, that's fine. Don't spend more than 20 minutes trying to do the task by yourself. So like I said, ideally you can do that on paper. If you have tracing paper, if you're an artsy person, awesome. That's great. If you don't have tracing paper but have wax paper or parchment paper in the kitchen somewhere, ask, whoever's in charge of the kitchen at your house if you can borrow a little bit. Just needs to be like a little square like this. That might help you be able to see some of these transformations. If you are without paper, you're not printing your task at all, again, that's fine. You can turn your Chromebook into a tablet and turn the brightness up and use any sort of thin piece of paper like notebook paper, nothing that's too thick or opaque, and you'll be able to see the image through it and draw a little bit and see what's going on. I've done that myself and it helps. I think it'll make more sense once you see what's asked of you. After 20 minutes or before 20 minutes is over, but you want to kind of check your thinking or check your work or even get a jump start on your thinking, go ahead and click on the next link I have, which is the full explanation video. I'm going to say this right now. I didn't make it. I found it, and I'm not about to reinvent the wheel. So this is some other phenomenal human being explaining this all to you, but it's there. So again, I don't care if you do the entire task first and then watch the video, or if you do one part of the task and then watch part one. It goes in the same order that your task goes in, so no worries on my end. Or if you are staring at your task and have no idea what the heck you're supposed to do, go ahead and watch the video. I have no problem with that. What I do recommend you do is take some notes for yourself about what a translation means, what a reflection means, what a rotation means, because they're all the things that we're starting to build in this 6.1 task that's going to be important in moving on. If you have any questions at any time, shoot me an email. I'll either respond to you via email or we can even set up a Google Hangout video chat and we'll get you all squared away. Okay? I believe in you guys. You're going to be great.